Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the uses of a web browser. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Uses of a web browser. A web browser is a software application that allows users to access and view information on the World Wide Web. It serves as a gateway to the internet and provides various functionalities. Here are some common uses of a web browser. Number 1, web navigation. The primary function of a web browser is to navigate and explore the internet by accessing websites, web pages, and online content. Number 2, viewing websites. Web browsers allows users to view text, images, videos, and other multimedia content on websites. They interpret HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to render web pages. Number 3, search engine access. Web browsers often have a built-in search bar allowing users to perform searches using popular search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. Number 4, bookmarks and favorites. Users can save and organize their favorite websites by bookmarking them. This makes it easier to revisit specific pages without having to remember or type in the website's URL. Number 5, tabs in Windows. Web browser supports multiple windows, enabling users to have several web pages open simultaneously. This facilitates multitasking and efficient browsing. Number 6, downloading files. Web browsers provide the capability to download various types of files, such as documents, images, videos, and software. Number 7, streaming media. Users can watch videos, listen to music, and stream other multimedia content directly through their web browsers. Number 8, web-based email. Many people use web browsers to access their web-based email services such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or Outlook without the need for a separate email client. Number 9, online shopping. Users can shop for goods and services online using web browsers. E-commerce websites facilitates transactions and users can compare prices, read reviews, and make purchases. Number 10, social media access. Browsers are used to access various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, allowing users to connect with others and share content. Number 11, research and information retrieval. Browsers are essential tools for researching information on the internet. Users can access articles, academic papers, news, and other resources. 12, web-based applications. Many applications, including productivity tools and office suites, are now available as web applications. Browsers allow users to access and use these tools without installing them locally. Number 14, security and privacy settings. Browsers include settings and features to enhance security and privacy, such as private browsing modes, cookie management, and security certificates. 14, extensions and add-ons. Users can enhance the functionality of their browsers by installing extensions or add-ons. This can provide features like ad blocking, password management, and additional customization. 15, web development. Web developers use browsers for testing and debugging websites. Web browsers often include developer tools that allow them to inspect and modify the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code of web page. Overall, a web browser is a versatile tool that plays a crucial role in accessing and interacting with the vast amount of information available on the internet. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the uses of web browsers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.